Have you ever wanted to put lights on your bicycle or do some electric bell? Well, this is the right video. Today I am Pratham and I am going to show you how to make a dynamo generator for your bicycle, which you can easily install on your cycle. First, let us understand how it works. A dynamo converts electrical energy is electricity, mechanical is rotation of your bicycle, that is mechanical energy. It does this by having two motors on the inside of your motor, two magnets. There is a copper coil in middle of the magnets that produces an electric field when it's rotating, and that turns into electrical energy. You can replicate this experiment by taking a copper wire and rubbing a magnet around the edge. That will induce an electric current in it. That's the main principle of a generator. First you need this guy. This is a DC motor. You can easily find in any stores near you or in your broken toy cars. This motor will act as a generator for our dynamo, and these are the output terminals. You can see that it can output power, but this is way too less for most LEDs. In fact, you maybe only need to power one LED. To change that problem, we will need this. This is a boost converter. It takes little energy and converts it to lot of energy. Let us see how it works. There's a coil over here, as I just told you, that makes a magnetic field. And there's a potentiometer here that adjusts the voltage. This can take 2 volts and step it up to 250 volts. You can see this now. You will need a micro USB cable also. Connect it to your mains power supply. And this part always have adult supervision. Connect your USB cable into the boost converter. And remember, all USB standards are only 5 volts. You cannot go above that. So let's see the output power of the boost converter. That's a lot, isn't it? 16 volts. My God. We can increase or decrease the voltage by using the potentiometer. So the voltage here is 16 volts. Now it's stable, but when I turn the screwdriver of potentiometer, you see it increases. 17. Now it's 22 volts, 23 volts, 25 volts, 27 volts, 28 volts. So that's a lot of power there, right? So this is going to help us by increasing the little voltage from this motor. Okay. And you have to glue something like an ice cream stick to the back of the motor to help it grip your cycle. You have to put it on the back wheel. I'll show you later in the video. So now you have to connect the boost converter, the motors. Be sure to check the correct polarity of your motor. Connect it. You will have to attach wires to your cycle to bring the energy from the back of your cycle to the front of your cycle. Now it's done. Let's see how it works. So this is the final product. I've stuck an LED over here RGB LED, and this is the boost converter. I have wired it up to my LED over here, two wires, and this is the dyno. This is how it should grip the wheel whenever you turn it. The axle of the motor should turn. Got it. Now let's see it in action. As you can see, it's generating power too. If I move it, it keeps generating, it stops. Yeah, okay. The faster you pedal, the faster the LED goes. Now that our demo is over, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for my next video where I am going to show you how to make your own doorbell. Very exciting. Okay, bye.